Hey everybody, Chris here with Klingspor's Woodworking Shop. Back again with another video in our contour sanding series. In today's video, we're going to discuss the difference between the sanding star and the sanding mop. They are vastly different. They look the same, but they will have different options available based on your needs. So let's break them down and see which one's right for your shop.
The sanding mops and stars look similar but are quite different. The mops are available in more customizable options, 4 or 6 inch diameter, as well as a variety of spacers, mandrels, and other accessories that are available for it. The sanding star, on the other hand, is pre-assembled on a mandrel and only available in 4 inch. So since one tool is not right for every job, let's take a look at some of the benefits of each of these different applications and see which one might be right for you. Some applications include furniture parts, very detailed moldings. Maybe you're a wood turner trying to sand a bowl, or a carver or CNC operator carving out very detailed pieces. The sanding mops and stars will work on all of them, but not each mop is right for each application. The 6-inch mop wouldn't work well for that very detailed carving, however, it would work well on the furniture part. The 6-inch diameter and the ability to space out those strips to create a very fluffy mop are perfect for that application. It would allow you to hit all that sweeping contour and as well as the smaller details of that furniture part. The sanding mops and stars, on the other hand, were much better suited for the more detailed carving. It would allow it to get into those tight spots and really clean that up without ruining the detail of your workpiece. It also makes them the ideal tool for sanding out tool marks inside and outside of bowls. Wood turners typically use hand sanding or discs for this application, but these work very well for removing the tool marks and leaving the surface very clean. Also gets down into the very detailed part of many carvings. So you can see the size makes all the difference in the world. The smaller are great for the more detailed pieces, the large for much your larger furniture pieces. Either way, we've got the right mop or star for you. Now, they are mounted easily in a stationary tool like a drill press, or in this case, a right angle drill. Now, from the factory, they're very crisp, as you can see, so we've got to break them in. The way we do that is with some scrap material. I've got this clamped down, and so all we need to do is just be very aggressive to break those factory edges and loosen them up, and you'll see the mop will become very fluffy. Little slow-mo action to give you an idea of what's happening here, and all you're really trying to do is break those edges. This is an often overlooked but very crucial step in the process. If you leave those factory edges and go right to your workpiece, you're not going to be happy. It will scratch and scar them up and probably lose some of that detail. So aggressively sand for a minute or two until you can see the mop is broken in. Just like that. And once it's broken in, well, it's time to sand. The key to using these is to not bury them. Ideally, you want to just let the tips of the abrasive follow the contour. In this case, it's not only sanding the contour, but I'm sanding the flattened surface as well. This is allowing me to remove the tool marks as well as clean up the details and any fray that may be in the wood. And as you can see, I go right from the flattened area to the very detailed part of the mountains. 120 is my favorite. Now, on to bowls. As you can see, this does fantastic. Now imagine if this was still mounted to the lathe, it would be a lot easier. In this case, it's not, but I can take care of this by hand. Easy way to use the mops or the stars for this application. Now, on to the bigger pieces, like the furniture parts. Now, for reference, I'm going to pencil this in so you can kind of see the removal that's going to occur. These are not very aggressive, and again, with a variety of grits, you can really choose the one that's right for you. In this case, I'm using the 1x4. Now, if this was mounted in a drill press or some horizontal application, the 6-inch would be the best option for this larger piece, but this just goes to show the versatility of these products. Even the small one will get it done. And as you can see, it's slowly removing the pencil mark while still following that contour and not removing any detail. Now for molding, these can be mounted in a stationary machine and moldings can be passed over or through the mops. In this case, I still have it mounted in a right angle drill. Now I chose a stained piece because I want you to see how very subtly this will sand. It does take a little bit of work. Now this is a 120, but if you're doing furniture restoration, This is a great way to remove that existing finish while still following the contour of that delicate piece you may be working on. The sanding mops and stars literally wrap right around that profile. And it does make quick work of removing finishes or sanding smooth if you've got tool marks on moldings. So whether mounted in a right angle drill or a stationary machine, these mops are fantastic for a variety of applications. The mops and stars can also be used to distress wood or create very unique finishes. You can see here I'm using it to clean up barnwood. Fantastic application and works extremely well. This leaves the roughness of the barnwood, but yet still gets rid of those burrs and the dirt and debris that's on the surface. They're so versatile, they're not only for wood applications, they can be used on metal, stainless, and other applications for deburring, distressing, polishing, cleaning grills, rust, just about anywhere in the shop you need them. So check them out today and see whether the sanding mop or sanding star is right for you. To learn more, visit us at woodworkingshop.com or any of your favorite social media sites. You can also contact us at 800-228-0000 and someone will be happy to help. Well, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you'll be notified of future videos as we release them. Well, thanks for watching and have a great day.